Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Arc Studio by Vandana. Today we are making a super easy mini amigurumi ball, a perfect beginner amigurumi project using only single crochet stitches. If you are new to amigurumi, this is the best place to start. For this amigurumi project, you will need yarn, slightly smaller crochet hook, stitch marker, fiber fill and scissors. Let's start with a magic ring or 2 chains. Make 6 single crochet inside the first chain or the magic ring. Let's start with 2 chains or magic ring. Make 6 single crochet inside the first chain or magic ring. Complete this first row of 6 single crochet by making a slip stitch into the first single crochet as shown here. Complete each row by making a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Use stitch markers all the time. For row 2, increase in each single crochet. That means 2 single crochet in each stitch. That is called increase. So there will be 12 stitches total at the end of the row 2. For amigurumi, single crochet is worked in continuous rounds. We do not join the round and we do not turn the work. This gives a smooth, seamless look to dolls and toys. Complete each row by making a slip stitch into the first single crochet. One single crochet in the first stitch and increase in the second stitch. Repeat this 6 times, so total 18 stitches in row 3. one single crochet in each stitch. So total 18 stitches in row 4. This round helps give shape to our amigurumi ball. Row 5 you have to decrease. A decrease means crocheting 2 stitches together, or invisible decrease means pick up 2 front loops of the next 2 stitches together, yarn over and pull through 2. Now 2 loops on the hook, yarn over again and pull through 2. That is invisible decrease. One single crochet in the first stitch and decrease in the next 2 stitches together. Repeat this 6 times and total 12 stitches for row 5. Start stuffing the ball gently. Do not overstuff. Add stuffing little by little. A decrease means crocheting 2 stitches together. Row 6 decrease 6 times. So total number of stitches will be 6 single crochet at the end of the row 6. At the end of row 6, slip stitch, cut the yarn, pull tight to close the opening, or use darning needle and neatly weave in the yarn ends. Congratulations, you have just completed your first amigurumi ball using single crochet. Try this project using different colors and different types of yarn. If you enjoyed this beginner friendly amigurumi tutorial, please like, comment and follow me. Bye. Happy crocheting.